Good evening, guys. My name is Paul. I'm from Apoy Tactical Resolution. I am brand new to shooting and I bought a Taurus G2C. This is probably my fifth handgun. And while cleaning my gun last night and assembling it, I found out something about the safety feature here. So I just want to share this, make sure everybody knows. I'm assuming everybody that owns a Taurus knows this already, but just in case. If you are going to put it on safety, make sure your finger is not on the trigger. So engage the safety. There we go. And this will go halfway. Okay, but it will not fire. Okay. Halfway, it will not go all the way. If I take the safety out, it will fire. Okay? Now, the reason why I have this video is if you press your trigger halfway, let's just say, oops, try it again. For some reason I can't do it upside down. Let me do it this way. Okay, halfway, put it on safety. See that? Safety. My finger was on the trigger. Safety's on. Okay. What happens is sometimes no, it's not doing that. Okay. It will fire. You see that? So if you have it halfway, the trigger, and you put it on safety, it will fire. Halfway, safety on, I let it go, store it, somebody picks it up, click the trigger, and it will fire. Again, you're firing, or maybe, shooting, your finger was on the trigger, you put it on safe, you think it's locked, stored it, picked it up, accidentally hit the trigger, it will fire. Then now it's on safe. So make sure, get the finger out of there, put it on safe so it doesn't fire. You can actually press the trigger all the way down, put it on safety, it won't fire. Only problem with that is if this one gets clicked out, it goes back to reset. So I want to make sure everybody knows, be safe out there.